We have a lot in tonight's program. President Biden going basically full FDR with a $2 trillion package. Congressman Matt Gaetz confirming this DOJ probe, many aspects of it, into alleged sex trafficking while also mounting a defense. But we begin with breaking news in the Chauvin murder trial. We have seen day 3, and it has been incredibly emotional testimony today. A witness to George Floyd's killing breaking down in tears on the stand after watching the body camera video footage of the incident, which now becomes evidence in the trial. This witness, 61-year-old Charles McMillan, who you can also see here at the scene, recounting what he thought, what he did, how he told George Floyd in those last moments to try to comply further with the cops.
I was telling Mr. Floyd, Mr. Floyd, just ply with him, get on in the car because you can't win.
Now, Floyd could be seen on camera there, and he could be seen responding. He had said that he couldn't get in the car and he could not get up. Officer Chauvin seemed calm during the incident. The witness broke down emotionally, sobbing on the stand while also endeavoring to do what I've told you happens in these trials, to bear witness, to participate in this justice process, however hard it can be to participate in or to watch. This individual, as you're going to see, trying their best to answer the questions.
Mr. McMillan, do you need a minute?
Oh my God.
I know that this is difficult. Can you just explain sort of what you're feeling in this moment?
I feel helpless.
You could hear the prosecutor there saying, I know this is difficult, and trying to elicit this accurate testimony. And you can see what we're dealing with here. I said this last night, I'll repeat it tonight. It's not content, it's not material, it's not just a story here. It is the legal process of accumulating the evidence to bear witness so this jury will decide the fate of the defendant, Officer Chauvin. It's hard to watch. You can imagine it's harder to witness. This is literally a witness. But it's also so important because even if it requires the trauma of reliving what he observed, which was a killing, a slow and clearly brutal killing in public, it is for the jury and for the justice system to hear this, to bear witness, and to decide what, if anything, to do about it, to find the facts. That's what juries are supposed to do. Now, we've shown you just a little bit of that difficult moment, difficult being the word of the prosecutor. The court then did take a 10-minute recess just to give the witness a little time to compose himself. Officer Chauvin was taking notes during this exchange. We should note that, again, the defense made a strategic choice. Our experts tonight can weigh in on it, but the defense declined to cross-examine that witness, McMillan, at all. We also heard from a store worker who had sold Floyd cigarettes before this encounter. There's new video we are seeing in public for the first time that shows Floyd in that store. And the store worker thought that the $20 bill Floyd provided for payment, was counterfeit. He testified, though, and this was interesting, when it comes to what that counterfeit bill's intention was. He said, this individual, under oath, their testimony, they didn't think Floyd knew it was fake, and that Floyd was sort of chatty and, quote, friendly, but that also he appeared perhaps inebriated or high. And the witness expressing guilt at the scene that unfolded steps away from that encounter.
We saw you standing there with your hands on your head for a while, correct?
Correct.
What was going through your mind during that time period?
Disbelief and guilt.
Okay. Why guilt?
If I would have just not taken the bill, this could have been avoided.
Hey, I'm Ari Melber from MSNBC. You can see more of our videos right here, or better yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel below. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and we appreciate that.